Hi, my name is Aarti Devi. I am working as PST. My educational qualification is BA English and my work experience is 6 years in education department. I am from Andaman and Nicobar Island, which is famous for its greenery and beautiful beaches and historical monuments like Sarlar Jail. My district is North and Middle Andaman, which is famous for its beautiful beaches like Amkunj, Dhani Nala, limestone caves, mud volcano and Parrot Island, which is in Baratan Island. My school name is GPS Thoratang Nala under DDO Swadesh Nagar. Total number of students in our school are 28 and we are 4 teachers in it. I think strength of my school is my colleagues that supports and encourage our students for every activity, and our parents take part in school activities like cleaning school and making safe for their children. Weakness of our school is that our students come from very remote area and sometimes it is very difficult for them to come to school due to bad weather, and because of that they lack interest in coming to school and they don't find school interesting and they don't want to study. As I had many ideas to make my classroom interesting, but I was unable to implement it properly. But after attending the ZIIEI training, I was amazed to know that without doing any investment, how we can teach our students effectively. It became so easy to implement my ideas in my classroom and students took a great interest, and our school attendance has increased. Every day doing an activity with students encourage them to come school daily. So ZIIEI training has benefited a lot to me as well as my student. The idea I like the most is hanging library, which create a great interest among students in reading books. The Innovative Pathshala is one of the best application from where I got many innovative ideas and I have used it in my classroom. The ZIIEI training has become so successful just because of our trainer Mr. Vineet Bhatt. Sir has given a really good training and help us by teaching how to implement our ideas in our classroom effectively. So thank you, sir. ZIIEI and IP program has benefited us a lot by providing such brainstorming ideas which helped our students in creating interest towards studies. And I am getting the learning outcome from my students as they are learning from every corner of the classroom and school by doing various activities. My school can be a role model school because being in a remote area with no digital learning, I have seen improvement in my students. Now they are more energetic and interested towards studies, and they are taking part in various activities and they are doing innovation in themselves. They are taking part in various competitions. Being both Hindi and English medium school, both medium students are trying to speak in English and they are taking part in various activities and competitions. Special thanks to Aurobindo Society and HDFC Bank for giving us such a great platform for sharing our ideas and innovations. Thank you once again. If you like this video, please click on the like button and share among your friends. If you are new to this channel, do subscribe the channel. Thank you. Enjoy learning.